Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning that dream international trip for 2025, you've probably thought about flights, hotels, and what to pack. But have you thought about what's in your wallet? Using the wrong credit card abroad can cost you a fortune in hidden fees. But don't worry, because today, I'm breaking down the absolute best credit cards for traveling abroad in 2025. We're going to cover everything from cards with no foreign transaction fees to ones that give you free lounge access, travel insurance, and massive rewards on your spending. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which card is the perfect travel companion for you, saving you money and making your trip way more comfortable. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Let's get into it. First things first, what makes a credit card great for international travel? There are 3 non-negotiables. Number 1, and this is the big one, no foreign transaction fees. These are fees, usually around 3%, that many banks charge on every single purchase you make in a different currency. It's like paying an extra tax on everything you buy. Over a week-long trip, that can easily add up to $100 or more, just gone. All the cards we'll discuss today have 0 foreign transaction fees. Second is wide acceptance. You want a card? Typically a Visa or a MasterCard, that's accepted almost everywhere you go. And third, you want great rewards and perks that actually enhance your travel experience. Think points for free flights, hotel upgrades, or even travel insurance. All right, let's kick things off with our top premium travel card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now this card is a powerhouse for frequent travelers. Yes, it has a high annual fee, but hear me out on the benefits. First, you get a generous annual travel credit that you can use on anything from flights and hotels to Ubers and train tickets. This credit alone offsets a huge chunk of the annual fee right away. The rewards are fantastic. You earn bonus points on travel and dining worldwide, and these points are incredibly flexible. You can get more value when you redeem them for travel through the Chase portal, or you can transfer them to over a dozen airline and hotel partners like United, Hyatt, and Marriott, often for an even better deal. But the perks are where the Sapphire Reserve really shines. You get a complimentary Priority Pass Select membership, which grants you access to over 1,300 airport lounges around the world. Imagine waiting for your flight in a quiet, comfortable space with free food, drinks, and Wi-Fi. It's a game changer. The card also offers a statement credit for global entry, TSA PreCheck, or Nexus, helping you speed through airport security and immigration. Plus, it comes with some of the best travel protections in the industry, including trip cancellation insurance, primary rental car insurance, and lost luggage reimbursement. If you travel several times a year and can use these benefits, the Sapphire Reserve practically pays for itself, and then some. Next up, let's talk about its biggest competitor, the American Express Platinum Card. This is the king of luxury travel perks. Like the Reserve, it has a premium annual fee, but the value it provides is aimed squarely at the traveler who enjoys comfort and status. The Amex Platinum is famous for its lounge access. It gets you into the exclusive Centurion lounges, which are some of the best airport lounges out there, plus Delta Sky Clubs when you're flying with Delta, and the same Priority Pass membership. The travel credits are also extensive. You get airline fee credits for things like checked bags, hotel credits, and even Uber Cash every month. It's a lot to keep track of, but if you use them, the value is immense. You also get automatic gold status with both Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors, which means potential room upgrades, late checkout, and other great perks at their hotels worldwide. This card is less about earning on everyday spending and more about the incredible suite of benefits that can elevate your entire travel experience from start to finish. Okay, I know what some of you are thinking. Those annual fees are pretty steep. What if you want great travel benefits without the premium price tag? That's where our next card comes in, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This is arguably the best entry-level travel rewards card on the market. The annual fee is much more manageable, but it still packs a punch. Just like its big brother, the Reserve, it has no foreign transaction fees. and earns valuable Ultimate Rewards points with bonus categories on dining, online groceries, and select streaming services, in addition to travel. You get the same great transfer partners, making your points incredibly versatile for booking award flights and hotel stays. It also comes with solid travel protections, including primary rental car insurance, which is rare for a card at this price point. While it doesn't have the lounge access or the big travel credits of the premium cards, the Sapphire Preferred is the perfect starting point for anyone getting serious about travel rewards. The sign-up bonus is often fantastic and can be enough for a round-trip flight right off the bat. But what if you don't want any annual fee at all? Are there good options for you? Absolutely. Let's look at the One SavorOne Rewards card. This is a fantastic no annual fee card that's surprisingly good for travel. The key here is its reward structure. It earns unlimited cash back on dining, entertainment, and at grocery stores, all with no foreign transaction fees. So when you're out enjoying cafes in Paris or visiting a market in Bangkok, you're earning bonus cash back without paying extra fees. While it doesn't offer travel-specific perks like lounge access or trip insurance, it's a simple, straightforward card that saves you money and earns you rewards on the things you do most while traveling. For the budget-conscious traveler who eats out a lot, this card is an unbeatable no annual fee choice. It's a great card to have in your wallet as a daily driver, both at home and abroad. Now, for our final category, the best card for airline loyalists. If you consistently fly with one airline, a co-branded card can be incredibly valuable. Let's use the United Explorer card as a great example. Right away, you and a companion get your first checked bag free on United flights. That alone can save you $140 on a single round trip for 2 people, easily covering the card's annual fee. You also get priority boarding, which means you get to board earlier and find space for your carry-on. The card offers a couple of one-time United Club passes each year, giving you a taste of that lounge life. And of course, you earn bonus miles on United purchases, at restaurants, and on hotel stays. Plus, it has no foreign transaction fees. Nearly every major airline has a similar card, so if you're loyal to Delta, American, or another airline, be sure to check out their co-branded offerings. So, how do you choose the right card for you? It really comes down to your travel style and budget. If you're a frequent traveler who values comfort and premium perks, and you can take full advantage of the credits, then the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the Amex Platinum are your top contenders. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of travel rewards and want a fantastic, flexible card with a reasonable fee, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the perfect choice. For those who want to avoid annual fees altogether but still want to earn rewards and skip foreign transaction fees, the One SavorOne is an excellent option. And finally, if you're loyal to a specific airline, a co-branded card like the United Explorer can save you a ton on baggage fees and enhance your flying experience. Before you apply, always check for the latest sign-up bonuses, as they can change and offer incredible value up front. And that's our guide to the best credit cards for international travel in 2025. Choosing the right card can genuinely transform your trips, saving you hundreds of dollars and adding a layer of comfort you didn't know you were missing. I hope this breakdown helps you find the perfect travel partner for your wallet. If you have any of these cards, let me know your experience with them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel tips and financial advice. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.